Hi, I'm Thijs, Technical Evangelist at Varnish Software and the author of Getting Started with Varnish Cache. I'm busy writing a new book about Varnish, which is due for release later this year, and it's called Varnish 6 by Example. As the name implies, it's about the latest version of Varnish, version 6, and it's a very practically oriented book. I already wrote this book, Getting Started with Varnish Cache, and it exclusively focuses on Varnish Cache, more specifically version 4.1. Now, ever since the release of this one, a lot of new features have been added to Varnish, which warrants a new book. However, the new book will have a broader scope and will focus both on Varnish Cache and on Varnish Enterprise. Of course, basic web acceleration will be front and center, as it is the original use case of Varnish, but we'll take it to the next level as well and approach it from a content delivery perspective. Meaning that in the end, this book will teach you how to set up and maintain a full-blown dedicated content delivery solution that accelerates web pages, APIs, but also large volumes of static data and even OTT video streaming platforms. Regardless of your skill level, your role, or your industry, this book is for you. Whether you're a developer writing code, whether you're an ops managing infrastructure, or you're a decision maker managing organizations, this book will serve as a practical guide that will take your content delivery strategy to the next level. We even have a digital book launch event coming up later this year. And I'd love to see you there to talk about all things Varnish and about the book, so expect an invite. Now, I have to admit, there's still a lot of work to be done, some chapters to be written, so bear with me. But what you can do is go to our website and already pre-order this book, so it lands into your mailbox as soon as I'm done. And while you're there, check out some of our related resources, such as blog posts, webinars, use cases, maybe even some brochures. So thank you for checking it out, bear with me, wish me luck, and fingers crossed.